Do dates raise sugar? In the following, we will learn about the answer to the question of do dates raise sugar and its effect on blood sugar levels. One of the most common questions among people with diabetes is, do dates raise sugar? Many people replace sweets and chocolate with dates, thinking that they do not raise sugar like sweets, but what is the truth behind this? Dates are one of the fruits high in sugars, so care must be taken when eating dates by people who want to control the level of sugar in their blood, such as diabetics. It is worth noting that eating dates in moderation has nothing to do with raising the level of sugar in the blood, as it causes a very small increase in sugar. Also, the glycemic index of dates is low, which is why dates do not cause excessive hyperglycemia, whether a person has diabetes or even normal people as well. This does not mean that eating dates does not raise sugar, but this effect is only apparent when consumed in moderation, as eating large amounts of dates raises the level of sugar in the blood. The effect of dates on blood sugar level. After getting an answer about whether dates raise blood sugar, we note that there is a study conducted on dates and their effect on blood sugar level, during which 100 grams of dates were consumed daily by people, and their blood sugar level was checked after 4 months. The results of the study showed that blood sugar and triglycerides remained the same and did not rise after a month of study. Therefore, consuming dates in moderate quantities does not raise blood sugar in people, even though dates contain a high amount of sugar. What about diabetics? This study can also be applied to diabetics with an emphasis on eating dates in moderation only, but diabetics are usually advised to check their blood sugar level and record their body's response to certain types of food. There are not enough studies to show what moderate amount of dates should be consumed, but most experts suggest that diabetics should not exceed 3 dates a day. Nutritional value of dates. Dates are fruits high in fiber and potassium, and 1 date contains 20 calories and 4.5 grams of sugars, so do not worry about sugars related to the answer about whether dates raise sugar. Dates also contain protein, carbohydrates, vitamin B6, and iron. Dates also contain polyphenols, which are the antioxidant elements. Health benefits of dates. Dates are rich in a group of important nutrients that may provide a range of benefits for diabetics, the most important of which are as follows. 1. Rich in dietary fiber. The dietary fiber found in dates helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the blood and thus helps prevent hyperglycemia. It has been shown that diabetes is less likely among people who consume more fiber in their diets. 2. Rich in magnesium. Dates contain 26 milligrams of potassium, which may be beneficial for diabetics because it plays a role in controlling blood sugar. Magnesium may reduce the risk of diabetes, as people with type 2 diabetes have been found to have lower levels of magnesium compared to normal people. 3. Contains antioxidants. Dates contain a range of powerful antioxidants and a high percentage of polyphenols that help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation plays a role in type 1 and 2 diabetes and associated metabolic disorders, such as obesity and high blood pressure. Thus, we have provided a full answer about whether dates raise sugar and other answers related to eating dates by diabetics.